latest home update that we've had for a second now is this giant, it's really big, giant cobalt blue cabinet hutch. So sick. We found it on Facebook Marketplace for free and we went to go pick it up and the woman was like a literal angel. Like the vibes that this woman was kicking out, amazing. Like she was just so cool. I feel like I'll remember her forever. And we ended up spending like 2 hours in her house because she was actually moving from here to LA, which is funny. And she was just showing us all of her stuff, gave us like a bunch of trinkets and old jars. I don't know. I think it's sick. It's very old. And I'm still, the cobalt blue obsession still running pretty deep. Okay, I'm very excited about this. I haven't had Misfits in a while. They reached out to me and I was honestly immediately stoked because I think they're awesome. Back in the day when I think they probably first started, or at least I first heard about them, started around Misfit produce. Produce that usually goes to waste because it's like a little wonky or ugly and the grocery stores don't want it because people pass it up, but it's like perfectly good. Now kind of a whole marketplace, a lot of cool options. We have mystery SKUs, which allows the farmers to send exactly what they have or need to sell. This is hydroponic lettuce. They have unique produce like passion fruit or lychees that's always rotating. I was really impressed with their selection of meat and fish and the different suppliers they have. Some wonky produce as always. And a lot of upcycled products. They use the grains that were used in the brewing process at a brewery to then make these English muffins, which I thought was cool. Yeah, love an alternative to some other grocery stores. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Like wonky purple sweet potatoes. They're so pretty. I really do just love produce. They had passion fruit, which reminds me of LA, so I got passion fruit. Puffy. These are my favorite. Here's Pablo. It's really cool. Comes with the roots attached. I love fresh noodles, fresh ramen noodles. That's gonna be yummy. Yeah, I'm stoked. Okay. And everything very cold still, which is great. Tuna steaks, my fave. If you want to check out Misfits, you'll get 30% off your first order if you use the code Jenny30, up to $30. I'll show you guys this. I have had just so many like very sweet encounters out here that make me quite happy with like just very interesting, cool people that I've been meeting. This one woman who's now my friend, but I did meet her through Mikey, and she's awesome. She's an older woman, older than me woman. She used to have an art museum in LA and then lives out here now, but she's just got the coolest house, like filled to the brim with art, like so much stuff that's all like so beautiful and funky and weird. And I went to her house the other day to make just like little sculptures together and show her this clay that I really like, and it was really sweet. But then she was seeing what I was making. She's like, you know what, I think you would really, I want to show you this. And then she showed me this giant wonky snail, which I just like love wonky, hunky clay. It's so satisfying to me. It's just like totally my taste in art. Like, I really like things that just feel very undone and unfinished in a way, because that is life. But giant snail, and she showed it to me and I was like so excited over it and taking photos. And then at the end when I was leaving, she was like, take that home with you, like you love it and it'll inspire you, so you have it, which was just so nice, and I love it. I need to find a good place to honor it. Tonight we're going to a friend's gallery show in Santa Fe. There's 2 of them going on. I think that'll be really nice. I haven't been like going out much. The least amount I've been going out on the town in I don't even know how long. But that'll be fun. I'm gonna go pick up, I've been making these clay beads that I'm really liking the direction they're going in. I feel like I need to like perfect them, but I need to go get like a thicker gloss coat to put on them because I was putting varnish on them and it was chipping. So I'm gonna see if that'll work to make them a little bit more durable. I found this clay that also I just love, and I'd never seen anything like this. It's like a paper clay, so it's very like pulpy. It has fibers in it, and so it just like is super malleable, like very good for sculpture, and you can air dry it or you can put it in a kiln. It's just been like my obsession as of late, and I've been making all these fun beads to put on keychains and stuff and on necklaces and whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick up something for that and then hopefully finish those this week too. I gotta redo it. I like my outfit today. I stole this thermal from Mikey. I like the long thermal tunic vibe. Kinda cool. Haven't worn this necklace yet, but I found a chain for it finally. Can you see it? These clogs, also so cool. These were my Christmas present from him also, that we found in a vintage store in Colorado Springs. They're amazing, so comfy. I've worn them a lot already. But the heel is just so cool. It's like so funky, it sticks out past your heel. I had never seen this shape before. I'm actually shocked. Neither of us had seen it, and that's surprising. And the tunic works well with these pants because they're missing a button fly, so just covers that right up. Thinking about this morning, again, I wrote this on my Substack like a couple weeks ago probably. I think what I wrote was, when I remember what it is, I love it. When I remember what it isn't, I hate it. But then I corrected it to, I waste it, which I think is more accurate. This feeling of like, if you're constantly thinking about what something isn't, you do end up wasting it for what it is, because you forget what it is. And I think in like a time of transition, or like being in a place that is like quite different from what I've been doing environmentally, I guess. It's not that I'm actually doing things that are that different yet at this point, but it's very easy to just feel like get into a mindset of like, if you're constantly comparing something for like what it isn't, of course you're not gonna like it. And of course you'll be less happy. But when I think of all of the things that out here brings and is, I'm like, how wonderful. Overall, I've been quite happy. But of course, there are moments where I just like, it's very easy to like miss my old life, you know, which I think is completely natural. So that's my mindset as of now. I am gonna leave this one here. Misfits is linked below. Jenny30 for 30% off your first order if you feel inclined to try them out. Otherwise, I'll see you so soon in the next video.